no longer saw ourselves as in our garden surrounded by an encroaching savage nature and battling it back. Rather, we saw ourselves as the potential danger, and nature is what was being surrounded and beaten back.
If global warming is any measure, the signs that we've beaten back nature are everywhere.
The current consensus, and I must emphasize that it is a consensus in which almost all scientists, even many of the so-called skeptics, will sign into, it is likely that 100 years from now the world will be very substantially warmer. And it's further widespread consensus that this change may not happen continuously, that sometime between next year and 100 years from now there will be a lurch in the system.
It appears over the next century the greatest weather modification challenge may be controlling the environment to counteract the inevitable damage humans will cause. Not surprisingly, there are a host of massive geoengineering projects on the drawing board to do just that. One proposal suggests purposefully injecting large amounts of specialized dust into the upper atmosphere, essentially mimicking an enormous volcanic eruption. When a volcano erupts, it inundates the atmosphere with ash particles. These particles reflect sunlight back into space and block it from hitting the ground, causing a rapid cooling of the planet.
We saw the Earth cool quite dramatically in a period of a year or so after the Pinatubo explosion. It's easy to observe. And so people have long proposed, since the mid-60s, that you could artificially add dust to the stratosphere and cool the planet. Not that this would be a good solution for global warming, it would not. But it does show the way we're steadily developing the powers to manipulate the planet with comparative ease.
It's been proposed that this same result could even be achieved by controlling the composition and location of airliner contrails. And there are some significantly more offbeat solutions. One of these suggests that we could fertilize the ocean with iron. By doing so,